Y'all, we better get some seafood.
Yes, we are. We got our little bibs and shit so we can keep ourselves nice and clean.
Okay.
Girl, because you know this oil shit be, ooh, it will mess your clothes up, honey. We got our little wipes, our little napkins and everything. We ready to go.
Period. Ooh.
Extra sauce on the side.
Thank you. Thank you. Now I need a nap because I'm like tired. But yeah. Tail. Ooh, I want some fruit. Oh, look at the doggy.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, he's a Mickey's now.
You sounded louder than you look.
Listen to him.
He like, I want to get out. It's nice in here.
Rooms everywhere.
Finna put myself on the TV. There's rooms everywhere. A room there. Keep dragging this charger. That's nice over there. Hex. Dang. So nice. We done got put out by the lady that owns it. She said it's time for y'all to go.
These ain't no gas jeans. I try to smoke a nigga to mad, but nigga don't test me.
Okay.
I play to the left, they went to the right, they try to finesse me.
We turned this whole big house out.
So we went to the next street.
There's definitely a lot of space. It's huge. We made it to the restaurant. And we was about to have to take a whole lift here because she didn't want me to drive.
I'm not
But
feeling this snow.
look at the roads. It's clear. Like,
No.
it is
But-
a little bit of freezing rain. Can y'all see it?
Yes, it's starting again. Okay?
It's not starting. It's not even snow. It's literally water.
No, it looks like it's ice falling to me, and I don't like being out like this.
Anyway, we're about to go get food. This is all we do, honestly. We eat out and shop. This is literally all we do. Hold on, let me show my face. Help me see. See, this is why I need to get whatever to get this together. But yeah, it's me, SNAP-SydniJolie. Anyway, I'm hungry. I'm literally starving. I'm about to die. Not really, but kinda. So,
Well, come on. Get the camera. Come on, let's go.
we're going. See y'all, it's like not even bad for real. My gut is out. Like, bruh. Everything is just crazy. Go ahead.
Hey, they got nice music, man.
So, Mom, what you doing for Valentine's Day?
I don't know. Never thought about it. What you guys doing out there?
What y'all doing for Valentine's Day? Today's February 1st. Happy Black History Month.
Oh, yes, that's important. I'm not saying over medium for my egg.
Y'all, this is the second time they got her order wrong.
Excuse me. Oh yeah, you got to take
I'm
that.
full. But I got this to go. I'm finna tear this down later. It looks so good. If you know me, you know shrimp and broccoli. Literally, I could eat it every single day. And rice. And I like fish too. But yeah.
And guess what? Mom got her milk free.
Don't play with her. She not one of them. We both out here with broken nails.
About to go get it handled, though. About to go get it handled.
Period. Y'all, we break a nail and be at the nail salon the same day. Oh well. Y'all, we done rolled around trying to find so many different salons. And we finally found one in the area.
Get the keys.
Like, this is crazy. I think I want like this color blue.
I don't know what color I want this one.
I always get pink.
I want something pretty. Ooh, I think I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
number 7 and 8.
Too hot.
She said hers is too hot. Yep, I know. Yeah. All right, yeah, I put my bag on. Okay. Thank you.
Let me watch where I'm walking. I'm about to fall. I let him freestyle, y'all. And he snapped. Cute. Super cute. Finally home after a long day. I just ate some of my food from earlier. Gotta take all my vitamins. But I wanted to end the vlog for today. Anyway.
You always do that.
If y'all don't watch Prime, I don't know what y'all doing. Okay. Because I watch Prime faithfully. Hitler, and I met him in person, so.
Yeah, gang shit, we out here daily, much real slime shit, prime time, it's the real PIFP, real icy, you know what I'm saying, in my city, no cap.
Oh, it's not even focused.
Hey man, say man, oh, no cap. The real PIFP dripping.
You gotta say Hitler. You know, I feel like we connected or something. Like, just saying. But yeah, y'all, I'm ending the vlog for right now. I might vlog tomorrow a little bit, but if not, listen, I'm trying to do better and get more content out and vlog and all that. So, period, boo. SNAP-SydniJolie out. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. We're your gang. Period.